Yes. 4 plus 5 equals 13. You saw that correctly. I know. You were taught in your primary school 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. That's true. But did you know that 4 plus 5 can actually be equal to 13? I'm Emmanuel. Welcome to today's class on number basis. In this video, I'm going to show you the expansion method, the exact foolproof system that you need to convert any weird-looking base into the normal everyday counting number. Now, before we solve any problem, we have to understand what number base actually is. The normal numbers we use every day, like 10, 50, or 100, they are in base 10, also called the denary. Now I know you would ask, why base 10? You see, humans naturally started counting with our 10 fingers. So we group in 10. But computers don't have fingers. They use electricity, on or off, which we refer to as base 2 or binary. Other number systems use base 5, base 8, or base 16. Today, your examiners will give you a weird-looking base and then ask you to convert it back to our human language, that is base 10. To do that, we use the power of positioning. Let's take a look at a classic example of that. We have an example here. Convert 234 base 5 to denary. Now the first step is to assign powers to each digit from left to right. Now take a look at it. 2, 3, 4. Assign powers on the digit from left to right, starting from 0, 0, 1, 2. Don't forget the base 5. So after assigning powers to the digits, the next step is to expand. How do you expand? You multiply each digit by the base, and then you express the base to the power assigned to the digit. So I would say 2 times 5 raised to power 2 plus 3 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 4 times 5 raised to power 0. I'll take that again. You expand by multiplying each digit by the base and ensure that the base is raised to the power on top of the digit. And there we have it. 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 plus 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 0. Then we complete the process. So we have 5 raised to power 2 is 25. 5 multiplied by 5. 25 times 2 is 50. Then we have 5 raised to power 1, 5 multiplied by 3, 15. But you have to be very careful here. Pay attention. 90% of students would say 5 raised to power 0 is 0, and then multiply 0 by 4 to get 0. That is not correct. Remember the law of indices. A number raised to power 0 is 1. So 5 raised to power 0 here is 1, not 0. 5 raised to power 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Yeah. So we have 1 times 4, 4. And my final answer is 65 plus 4, which is 69. To which base? To denary. Base 10.